In this video, we'll be going over everything a beginner trader needs to know about pocket option and pocket option trading to achieve results like these. Pocket options are one of the most popular binary option trading platforms. Firstly, you must have registered to the Pocket Option application using your email. If you're not already registered, make sure to register using the below link to get a 50% bonus amount on your first deposit. So this is the main interface of the Pocket Option application, where all the trading happens. Here we can see the market and the asset we're currently trading on. By clicking this profile icon on the right, you can access your trading profile along with some other important functions such as deposits, withdrawals, and settings. To start trading on Pocket Option, first you must make a deposit to your account. Pocket Option allows a number of depositing methods for their traders, and these methods can vary from country to country. Once you select the method you prefer, you can enter the amount you're planning to deposit. Different deposit methods have different minimum deposit requirements. Most of the time, this will be either $5 or $10. You can use this promo code while making deposits to get a 100% bonus amount. This means if you use this promo code and deposited $100, you will get an additional $100, making your real account total $200. After continuing, Pocket Option will give you necessary details to process and complete your deposit. To withdraw any profits or money you've made on Pocket Option, you can again click the profile icon and head over to this withdrawal option. Since this is a dummy account I made for the video, there's not much stuff displayed here. However, in your account, if you've deposited money and traded using that money, you will see something like this, where you can select the amount and withdrawal method you prefer. According to Pocket Option, withdrawals can take between few minutes to few business days to be processed, depending on the withdrawal method. You can see all the deposits, withdrawals, and other transactions you made within the application by visiting this History tab. If you're not feeling prepared enough to trade using your own money, Pocket Option offers a demo account for you to trade in. You can access it by clicking on your real account balance and switching to the demo account. All the demo accounts are topped off with $50,000, which you can use to trade any way you like. Demo account and real account both have the same real-time markets. If you're a beginner, make sure to utilize this tool to learn trading as much as you can before moving into a real account. If you ever run out of money in the demo account, you can click this button to top up your account. On the right side of the application, we can see this tab, which contains many important tools and features. On the top left side of the tab, we can see the trade expiration time. You can change this duration to whichever you like. Below that is the trade amount section. If you're a beginner trader, keep this to a low trade amount. For example, if you have $100 in your real account balance, do not place trades with $20 to $30 amounts. By placing smaller trades on the market, you will be able to trade for a longer time and build up your real account balance. Here we can see the payout details of our trades. Below this section are the most important buttons of the application. The buy and sell buttons. Using these buttons, you can place either buy or sell trades on the market, depending on your observations. Once you place a trade, it will appear on this Trades tab right here. All active trades will be displayed along with their amount and expiration time. Past trades also can be seen using these Closed Trades tab. By clicking this right here, you can close or minimize this Trades tab. On the left side of the application, we can see another tab containing important settings of the application. Firstly, you can change the current market using this drop-down menu right here. You can select between many asset types like currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. For easier access, we can favorite any of these markets and they'll appear here. Next to the market drop-down menu, we can see the chart settings option. You can change your market into lines, candles, bars, or Heikin Ashi styles depending on your preference. If you use candles, bars, or Heikin Ashi, you can change their time frames here as well. As a trader, you will be using many different indicators in many different ways to analyze and predict the market. Using this button here, we can open the Indicators menu. To add an indicator to the market, all you have to do is click on that specific indicator. After adding indicators, they can be seen in the Current Indicators tab. In some cases, you might want to change different settings of these indicators. To do so, you can go to this Current Indicators tab and click on this Settings button. Here, you can change the indicator's input settings as well as their styles. Using the drawing tool next to indicators, you can draw different lines and shapes on the market. These will also be important when trading on pocket options. Same as indicators, you can change settings and remove these drawings from the market using the Current tab on the Drawings menu. Clicking this three-dot icon will show us another two settings. First, social trading settings will enable us to see other people's trades in real time. If you're a beginner trader, I recommend you stay away from this setting and use your own analysis to place trades. The second settings are the Market Watch settings, which show the probability of the market's buy or sell movement. Unlike the social trading option, you can use this tool to help in your market analysis. Finally, on this tab, we have the Multi-Chart button. Using this button, you can add multiple assets to the market. This allows you to trade on multiple markets at the same time, giving you more versatility while trading. On the left side of the application, we can see a sidebar, which contains a few different options. Firstly, using the Trading tab, we can switch between real and demo accounts, as well as other trading accounts. The Finance tab also allows you to navigate to the deposit and withdrawal pages of the Pocket Option application. Finally, using the Profiles tab, you can open your personal Pocket Option profile. On the Trading Profile tab, you can see all your past trading details along with different statistics, which can be important. The Profile tab, on the other hand, allows you view and update your personal details such as name, email, number, and more. So, as a beginner trader to Pocket Option, that is all the necessary things you need to know about the platform. More in-depth videos on each setting, such as charts, indicators, withdrawals, and deposits, will be uploaded in the near future. So, make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.